In this video, I will explain how to apply different styles, cell styles to cells. The cell styles option under styles group under home tab enables you apply different cell styles to the cells. So easily you can find out the type of the data what you are having in the cells with different colors. For example, here I am having some calculations. See, so calculations means this total field is based on these English, social, maths. So I am selecting all these and I am applying cell style as calculation. So that is calculation cell, and even these cells also calculation cells. So under data model we have calculation cells like this. So easily we can identify these are calculation cells, formula based cells. Okay, and we have different options like suppose good, bad, natural, like this. Suppose I want to apply the bad cell areas, for example failed areas, below 35, first 34, and click control plus click, you can select these two. Okay, now I am applying bad, and here we have good cells. Suppose above 80 I am going to mark them as good. So select control plus click on above 80 cells. So what are the values you are having about above 80? Those values I selected using control plus click. Now apply good. So that particular cells indicates they are good cells and these are bad cells. And likewise we can apply the corresponding cells with mark as well as with color like that. And we also having different styles like input, linked cells. Linked cells means they are having a link like that, note cells, output cells, warning text. So like that we can make them with different models, and titles and headings also we can place. For example, of course these are titles, imagine. So in that case I am selecting this heading styles, heading style 1 or 2 or 3 like that. So that indicates they are headings, or simply we can say title like that. Okay, and we have different themes also here. So that is what type of theme, 20%, 60%, 40%, like that we are having color percentage themed styles. So we can apply, for example, for these cells I want to apply some particular styles like 40% of this color, you can apply like that. And we have some other styles like number format. Already you know, with the number format you can format. For example, I am selecting this employees data. Here we can apply those number styles, comma style or currency style. Already we already applied these kinds of styles. We can also create new styles, new cell styles by defining different styles and different formats as per our requirement. Okay, this is what cell styles option in Excel.